Hi guys, this is Michael Alexander with Coinsider. Today is another quick charts video. It is the 22nd of April, about 11 a.m. New York time, and we're going to go over 6 analysts. I brought in one new one that's bearish. We have the same another 5 that we had from yesterday. Just want to recap on what they're saying and update you on the Bitcoin market. So we're going to go over 3 sections, which is the micro charts, quick charts, which is this section here. Then the next chart is predictions and reasoning, and the third chart is the actual charts from the analyst. And if you haven't already done so, we have a link in the description for the demo video. Just please watch that. So let's jump into quick charts. Oh, and before I start, what is quick charts? We bring you the top analysts that we consider very good and bring them in one page, so it saves you time and research and helps you to prevent missing the next big move in Bitcoin. So let's jump into the first section here. Again, as usual, I group 3 bulls on the left, 3 bears on the right, and let's just watch for a similarity of price movement. So as you see, we're going all on dips here, dip, dips, and then up. Even on the bear side, we have a dip and then up. Here's conditional. These two are conditional. 2 different price pathways. I'll get into that. But on the bull side, we have retracements or pullbacks down to the 8,000, 8,200 range here. So that's similar prices. And we have a 95, 96, or 96, 9,700 top here. I didn't put anything here, but it should be similar, 94, 9,500. So those are similar price pathways for the bulls. And then for the bears, we also have a dip, no number here, and up to 10,000. And just look out for this 9,200 number. It's an important number for the bears. So that's it with the micro charts here. And we're going to get into the next section. So I just wanted you to look out for key prices so you understand the basic direction of what the market is doing. And again, this is Elliott wave technicians, most of them, not everybody. Alright, let's go to the next section. We have prediction and reasoning. Let's blow up the chart. And again, similar to what you saw before, basic price movement, down, up, which is going to be the next probably 2-3 days, maybe longer. The dip, I'm not sure how long it's going to take. Could be a few days, maybe a little longer than a few days. But you have here, again, the reason they're Elliott wave technicians. And previously, Philicone mentioned a break of 84.59 would go up, and he did that. And then we have Heijin sees us going to 9400 zone. We have EW and patterns seeing us going to the 9750 zone after retracing. Tony Vase believes we're going to dip and go up to the 10,000 zone, and then he's longer term bullish. So again, we're going into the bears now. He is longer term bear. He still believes the higher frame chart, the monthly and the weekly, is still bearish. Unless we break $12,000, as he mentioned in his last video. You can read here, price bullish if price goes above 12,000. And DFork Energy, one of the top guys on TradingView. Again, a couple price pathways. We either finished and we're going down. Again, long-term bearish, or we're going to have another little pull back up to 92 to 9400 zone. So we're going to go up first, then we're going to go down. But his final destination, I guess medium term, is down to finish a correction. And then you have JD Marshall believes that 2 things can happen. If we cross 9200, then he'll turn more bullish, and if we go below 8100, he'll be a little bit more bearish, reluctant. So those are the views of the bears. They're a little bit different, different viewpoints in the bears. The bulls have similar viewpoints here. Okay. So that's it for the prediction and reasoning. Just make sure to just read over the reasoning here. Social media sites. And let's go to the next section. If you want to continue with us, great. We're going to go into the actual charts of the analyst. If that was enough for you on the reasoning and predictions, then we'll see you tomorrow. So let's go into the candle charts. We have Philicone's prediction. We broke through that resistance, and now it became support, and we've hit the 5th wave. Possibly it's scenario 1, and we're going to slowly retrace back on top of this line into this green box around the 8,000, 8,500 zone right here. He drew his Fibonacci lines. Okay. And the second price pathway is that we have a little bit more up to go for the fifth wave, about 9,200, and then we go slowly back on top of this white trending line, which now became support. Previous resistance becomes support, and again he drew this box still within the 0.236 and 0.382 Fibonacci areas, where we still have the 8,000 to 8,500 zone. We're going to be pulling, doing a retracement or pullback in. Heijin adjusted his chart a little bit, where he sees us pulling back down to 82.50 and then moving up to 97.50 to finish a 5 wave. The EW in patterns sees us moving up to the this is a little bit old because we already moved up to the 9,000 zone, but from this 9,000 zone, completing this white 3, we're going to the white 4, which is about 8,000, and then finally moving to 97.50, which is similar to Heijin, which is above. We're going to have a deep pullback, he believes, to 72.50 because we've completed a full the full white wave set 1 through 5, and normally we have a 0.618 retracement, and that's why he did a deep pullback here before going up. Again, he's bullish. Then we have Tony Vase. He's bearish on the monthly and the weekly, and unless he sees over 12,000, he's remaining bearish. D-Fork Energy sees us completing a wave of 5 or moving up a little bit more to 9,200, 9,400 before moving down again. His long-term perspective is bearish again. He wants to, in his, I think it was about a week ago, he came out with the report and he called about mid 4,000, 4,500 area. So he still holds to that long term. And then JD Marshall drew a pink line. He wants to see price on top of this, and again, if we're below 8,100, that's bearish. He wants to see above 9,200 to be more bullish. So that's it for Coinsider today. It's April 22nd. We went over 3 different sections. We went over the candle charts, which are the last section right here. We went over prediction reasoning. Please feel free to get into that, the charts on Steemit. And also the basic charts right here, the small little micro charts. And if you want to get updates, please like and subscribe and hit that bell to get notifications of new videos. And thanks for joining Quick Charts. If you are making any investments, please do your own due diligence, as there's always a risk of losing money. Coinsider or any analyst here, that's their opinions and Coinsider's opinions, and we are not financial advisors, so please do your own due diligence. Thanks for attending another Quick Charts video today, and we'll see you